My video is about removing the browser notifications that are associated with the site zpwnan.com. zpwnan.com is a junk site attacking Google, Chrome and other browsers. It basically tries to trick people into clicking the allow button, supposedly to help them watch some video, but it's a mistake to do that. It's a mistake to click on allow, because if the allow button is mistakenly clicked, the browser gets hijacked with multiple advertisements that will be popping up in the right part of the screen. To deactivate these ads, please access the menu Settings, choose Privacy and Security, then Site Settings. In Permissions, select Notifications. Research the websites allowed to send notifications. When you find any malicious sites here on the list, you should click on this button and delete them from the list. Make sure you get rid of all these junk sites from the list. And finally, my recommendation is that you research your computer with Combo Cleaner Antivirus. Please get it on the official page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the program, and then begin researching your system to detect and eliminate other threats from your computer effectively. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner Antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner Antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called Anti-Ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.